Ho, ho, ho! Merry Alphabet Day, everyone. Look who's come with a sleigh full of surprises just for you. I've traveled all the way from the North Pole, bringing something very special to share today. Do you see all these magical boxes? Each one has a special letter from A to Z, and inside every box, well, that's a surprise for you to guess. Let's open each box together and see what surprises we'll find, shall we?
Here's a box, it's marked with an A. What's inside? Let's guess and play. Could it be an apple, an, or 8? Count with me, let's not wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Alligator.
Oh, what a thrill. What's inside a boat or a bill? Get ready to guess, it's time for fun. Let's count down to see everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Balloon.
Box marked with a C. What's inside? Let's look and see. Could it be a cat, a car, or a crown? Count with me now, let's all count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Candy.
We have the letter D. What could it be? Let's look and see. Is it a drum, a duck, or maybe doll? Count it down, kids, one and all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Dragon.
Look here, kids, it's the letter E. What could be inside? Let's peek and see. Is it an egg, an elk, or an ear of corn? Let's count together and watch it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Elephant.
Here's the letter F. What could it be? Is it a box, a van, or a floating flea? Come on, kids, let's count it down. Then open the box to look around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Frog.
Now we see the letter G. What's in the box? Let's look and see. Could it be grapes, a goat, or a guitar? Count with me now, near and far. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Ghost.
Now we're here with the letter H. What's inside? Let's guess and watch. Could it be a hat, a hen, or a horse? Count down with me, kids, of course. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Helicopter.
Look here, it's the letter I. What's inside? Let's take a try. Could it be ice, an iguana, or an ink pot too? Count with me and we'll see it through. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Ice cream.
Now here's the box with the letter J. What could it be? Let's guess and play. Is it a jet, jam, or a funny jar? Let's count it down from where we are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Juice.
Look, it's the box for the letter K. What could it be? Let's guess today. Could it be a kite, a key, or a king? Count with me, kids, let's see the thing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Kangaroo.
Now we have the letter L in view. What could it be? Let's guess me and you. Is it a lion, a leaf, or maybe a lamp? Let's count down now with a merry stamp. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Lemon.
The letter M, it's magic, I think. What could it be? Let's give a wink. Is it a monkey map or a mug for tea? Count down together. 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Milk.
We're halfway there, we're having a blast with Santa's gifts. We're learning fast, keep counting, keep guessing. We'll go all the way from letters A to Z today. Look at the letter N, what could it hide? Could it be a nest or a nice ride? Join me, kids, and guess along. Then count with me and sing the countdown song. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Notebook.
Time for the letter O. What's in the box? Let's guess and know. Could it be an octopus, olive, or owl? Let's count down now with a hoot and a howl. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Orange.
Here we go with the letter P. What's in the box? Let's look and see. Is it a panda, bear, or penguin too? Let's count it down, just me and you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Pizza.
Now we're here at the letter Q. What's in the box? A clue for you. Is it a quilt, a queen, or something quaint? Count down with me, don't hesitate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Quill.
Look, it's a box with the letter R. What could it be? Near or far? Is it a rabbit, a ring, or maybe a rose? Count down now, let's see what it shows. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Robot.
Now here's a box marked with S. What could it be? Let's make a guess. Could it be a snake, star, or silly sock? Count with me, tick tock, tick tock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Shark.
Now it's time for the letter T. What's in the box? Let's look and see. Is it a tiger, a toy, or a tall tree? Count with me now. 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Train.
Look, here's a box with the letter U. What could it be? Let's guess, me and you. Is it an umbrella, unicorn, or umpire? Count down now as we admire. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Utensil.
Here's a letter V. What's inside? Could it be a vase or a van to ride? Let's count it down. Don't make a peep to see what's hiding inside so deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Violin.
Now it's a box with the letter W. What's inside? We haven't a clue. Could it be a whale, a watch, or a wig? Count down with me, we'll dance a jig. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Watermelon.
Here's a letter X, so unique. What's in the box? Let's take a peek. Is it a telephone, X-ray, or X-ray fish? Count down now to reveal the wish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Christmas tree.
Now we have the letter Y. What's in the box? Let's give it a try. Could it be a yak, a yo-yo, or yarn? Let's count down, kids, come on and learn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Yacht.
Finally, it's the box with a C. What's inside? Let's look and see. Could it be a zebra or maybe a zip? Count down with me and get a grip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's see.
Zombie.
Ho, 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 the ABCs. Thank you, kids, for guessing with me. Remember your letters from A to Z. Merry learning to you from Santa and me.
Hi kids, thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this.